Hey, hi guys, everyone. Welcome to our channel once again. So, on our channel, we are basically going to discuss a lot of shortcuts and the things that I have learned in my life, and I'm going to show you that tricks and fast thing. Right. So today we are going to learn about app icon resize. Like if you want to publish your application on Play Store, you simply have to submit your logo as well on the console account. Right. So simply you have to come here. This link I will be providing in your description as well, so simply you can do, or you can just read this thing. It's I don't think that it's a big one, right? Resizeappicon.com, right? So simply you can type as well. So you will be getting an all the kind of sizes that your logo should have while publishing an app on the Play Store. Here you see for an iPhone, iWatch, Android, right? So we'll be using for an Android because we want to publish on an Play Store. All right. So it's a small tables, but it very difficult to find. So I thought that I should share this with you all, guys. So suppose I need this one, this one as an icon. So I will be doing this uploading. Once it gets an uploaded, you can tick over here which shapes you want, all the things in which you don't want, right? So for in Play Store mainly you can see that Google Play Store. So you can click here and you can just click download selected or download all. So I will be preferring to download all because you will be needed this while making an application as well. So here download all we used to click, and once it gets downloaded you just have to extract the file and you will be getting your resized app logo. So it takes a time bit. My internet connection is a bit slow, I guess. Okay. So here you get the file is gets and downloaded, and let's come to the file manager. Right here in the download section, just extract the file. Don't worry, guys. On this channel we are going to learn and lots of things, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. We are going to learn about in WordPress. We are going to learn about stock market as well, you know that. So I will be teaching you all from a very scratch to an pro earning method, right? I will be also be teaching you an app development. So here you see how different shapes you gets over here. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. All right, I hope you like this video, right? This all has been used, this all are used in an app development processes. All right, so have a good day.